Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by converting shapes into numbers so you can measure and reproduce them. First, establish a numeric scale and draw a labeled grid. This gives consistent spacing and makes proportions repeatable. Then mark anchor points using coordinates or numbered distances so every important corner has a numeric tag. Once done, connect those numbered anchors to outline the basic form. This numerical skeleton tells you where lines must fall and why proportions stay true when you scale or rotate. Now you translate numbers into physical strokes. Use the numeric distances and ratios to set exact line lengths and angles. Measuring prevents guesswork. For curves, convert proportions into percentage offsets and control points so the shape flows while staying true to the numbers. Make sure to check half steps and quarter adjustments as you refine. Small numeric tweaks change the silhouette significantly. Once adjusted, blend measured segments into smooth strokes so each segment aligns with the original numeric plan. Finish by committing to the lines that match your numeric outline. Darken final strokes and erase the grid and guide marks. Then measure critical distances and angles again to confirm proportional accuracy. If something looks off, apply numeric offsets rather than redrawing freehand. Make sure to validate the scale factor when resizing. If proportions fail, recheck anchor coordinates, scale ratios, and degree measurements so you can systematically correct errors instead of guessing where the shape went wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.